See, where are we? Where are we?
We are in the nature park.
And what's the first animal that you saw when you got here?
The duck and the turtle.
The turtle. Oh, can't see the turtle. Where's the turtle? There's the turtle.
And birds. I saw the birds first.
The birds were first?
Yep.
Oh, goodness. Hey, Nick. Nick. Hi. Are you okay? Yeah. Are you okay?
Sí, the head spinning. And there's the koi fishes right there. Hay un pato allá. Oh, dude.
Oh, look at his face.
¿Están buscando comida ahí?
Oh, the turtle. I think it's that.
Oh, look at the other one over there.
Look at that koi fish. Wow. Koi fish. The fish. Don't you see it? No. In the water. They're over there. I can see them. They're orange.
That looks like a
Maybe we'll look and see a snake.
I saw an eel.
Look at the ducks.
They're looking for food. Be careful.
You want to give them some food? Throw them some food? No?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh.
yeah, yeah.
I don't know what.
There's a feeding guy. Oh, the feeding guy is in my purse.
Are you gonna feed the ducks?
There's some pellets there. I don't know.
There's a chicken. Look at the chicken. You see him?
Oh, he's
Look at this one, Elsie. Look at the beak. It's colorful.
Oh, yes. That was Mom.
Oh, hold on. Yeah?
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Se está arrancando las plumas.
Oh, he's sad.
Yeah.
What happened, buddy?
Oh, ya vino así con las plumas arrancadas.
Puede ser que lo rescataron ya. Porque mira, ese está ahí. Oh, wow. Look at those colors. Yes, Elsie?
That one is the one that we saw in the cereal box.
Yeah, look, it's a Kill
toucan?
Bill toucan.
Oh,
Toucan.
toucan. Fruit Loops.
Look at that beak.
Ya
So
parece que lo cogieron, lo
colorful.
pintaron.
I know, right?
They've been pressed. They painted. I want to see my bobcat.
Let's go see the bobcat.
Oh, son dos de ellos, mira, hay otro ahí.
Oh, ya, yo creo que los parecen chicken.
Parecen pollos. mira.
Esos pollos antes de cocinar los pollos. Yeah, I know, but he's over here.
¿Qué pasó? Mira, cosita linda, papá. ¿Qué pasó, bebé? Are you by yourself or there's another one in here? Look like you're by yourself.
Se está escondiendo. Ah, no, ahí está. Uf, calor. Es una calor. Let's go over here. Taira. Taira, where are they? Oh, up there. Up there.
Ese gatito me coge y me hace mierda. hace shredded beef for me.
Yeah, it's right there. They're fast. Look at them.
What is this, a mongoose?
No, it's a Taira.
The mongoose farmer. Look at him. He's so cute.
Uy, qué huevo más grande.
Oh, huevón.
Goodness. Oh, there's the...
¿De tucán?
No, the Craven. ¿A quién le está tirando pelea? ¿Qué pasa? Ya quisiera comerse los tucanes.
Muchacho, brinque. Se suelta él.
Did you forget?
No.
The craven.
Yeah, I know. I saw it, Elsie.
Le diga así, se sueltan esos dos y hacen escante.
Oh, look. See the raccoons? They're raccoons, right? Yeah.
You see this in the backyard.
Okay. What is he? ¿Qué hay acá? Oh, acá hay otro. Ve, mira. Look at him. He is resting.
This is an ocelot, I think. What is the name? Huh?
¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó? This one doesn't say. What the heck?
Put them out of there. Oh, here we're gonna see the. It says, please do not feed the animals. Oh, look at that one. It's moving. See it?
Boa, ain't it?
I don't know where. Yeah, boa constrictor.
Mom, look at turtle. A turtle.
Where's his head?
A turtle.
I know. I'm looking.
Oh,
Hold
there
on,
he
Elsie. Oh, look at this gecko. It's the crested gecko.
A gecko.
There's his head right there. Randy.
Hmm? Oh, hey, buddy. Ellos son ciegos, ¿no?
Mom,
Yeah.
look, a goldfish and a turtle.
A goldfish.
A turtle.
And we got the pink-bellied side neck. Over here, what do we have here? I don't think there's nothing in here. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, my God. Look, it looks like a rock. Look, that's the tail.
Teddy bear rat.
That's a really big one.
Elsie, look at the teddy bear rat. It's a teddy bear rat.
And this one is,
2 months old.
oh, this one is the red-foot tortoise. That one down there. And then this one is the green iguana. It's a juvenile. Yeah, it is a juvenile because it's really small.
Oh, super small. Uy, qué lindo. That green.
Can't even make.
No, lo que la gente, hay gente que come iguana. Y aquí tenemos, I don't know what this is.
Pero ahí.
Oh, they adopt them?
Son iguana. Oh, son
No,
alligators.
yeah.
The little cracks.
Hey, there's a fish right there, Elsie.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
¿Y esto qué es? A teddy bear rat.
Teddy bear rat.
$8 para adoptarlos.
The fish. I can't believe it. There's a fish.
That's funny.
No way. There's a fish.
¿Y esto qué es? No, no hay nada ahí.
Oh, the turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle. There it is. Hey, buddy. Y aquí tenemos the frilled lizard. Oh, tiene bastante espacio, ¿eh?
Oh.
This one is moving too, but where's he going?
Ball python.
Here he is. He's coming out over here.
Oh, there he
Yeah,
is.
that's long. That's really long.
Están activos. La otra vez que vinimos no estaban activos. Este también está activo. Míralo acá. Both are active. These are the Hog Island boa. Yep.
That's so cool.
Pero tienen otro ahí. They're just chilling on top of each other. Pero esa. There's 4.
There's also.
Ahí hay 3.
Oh, mira lo que allá.
Yeah, you didn't see that one? Yeah.
He knows what that door is.
Oh,
There's
there's other snakes.
yeah, there's 4 of them. There's one over there, all the way in the back. Look. You see him?
There's other ones.
There's the one where if one escapes, the one will jump. Look at the size of that monitor.
What is this? An Australian blue tongue skink? Ay, pero no lo puedo ver. Se está escondiendo. The
So you
blue
got this
tongue.
slithery,
Oh,
oh, this
frogs. I can't with frogs. I can't. Not frogs. Oh, hey, buddy. Bearded dragon. And this is, I don't know what this can say.
We do everything we can. Air filters, lighting, and palm trees down there to figure the palm trees stay alive. The lighting.
It's another bearded dragon.
And the chicken shit we got here, the cable TV.
I don't know what's supposed to be in here. Huh?
There's a video of the controller and the DVD
Oh, there it is.
in a cage.
Oh, he has his mouth open. What happened? Yes, I did. Look, he has his mouth open, Elsie. Oh no, he closed it.
What is it?
A snake. Tenía la boca abierta. There's another one right there. Here is the yellow Euromastix.
Right there.
I know, I see it. This is the Sheltapuslik. Is the legless lizard. It looks like a snake, but I guess it's a lizard.
Oh, right there.
And the frog is right there. Ew, I hate frogs. I don't like frogs. I can't. My skin is crawling. What is this? I don't know where it's in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's another frog. I can't with the frogs. Ugh. Ooh, a salamander. Tiger salamander. Look. It doesn't even look real. It's right here, Elsie.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
That one that looks like a leaf?
This is a pink zebra tarantula. It's in there. You see it?
Oh, here's the king snake.
I see it right there.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
Is that
buddy.
a spider?
There's another tarantula. You see all the spider webs?
Hey, over here.
Oh, yeah.
Mira.
And I don't know what's supposed to be in here. Oh, a little cricket. Right there. And here we have the Pac-Man frog that I don't want to look at. Do you see it? Oh, it's right there.
Oh, right there. It's moving.
Yeah, I know. But you see the Pac-Man frog? It's right there.
Look at that, crickets.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I see a little peg.
Where's the boa? It says Central American tree boa. So está.
boa.
You know lo ve. Oh, ahí está.
I see it.
Oh my god.
Oh, my
He's trying to get out.
Children's python? Why is it called children's? And where is it? Oh, it's in there.
Because they
Está en la
look like
piedra.
children.
That's a good hiding spot. Look at that.
Where?
It's in the
It's
hole.
in
You
the
see that
rock.
hole? You see the hole in there? He's in
The
there.
hole over here in the rock. Look
Oh, I
above.
see it.
Here.
Mhm. Then there's another one. It's right over there.
I see it.
And then this is a plated lizard. Here you are, buddy.
Look at the king.
And I don't know what's over here. Oh, what is that? Oh,
Those
that's
are the ones that we have here. Oh, look at the size of this toad.
and I don't know what. Oh, this is a yellow Euromastic.
Right there.
I see it. And what's here? I don't know. Oh, right there. You see it? His head. Right there. Beside the skull. Beside the skull on this side. You see it?
Sticking out.
Dirt.
Sticking out.
King snake.
Up from here.
I saw that one.
He's coming. He's coming over. He's coming to get you. Yeah, where are the birds? They used to be sticking out. Now they're not.
Yeah, that's not the birds that we feed. I thought it was like over there, the other side.
Porcupine? Where is he at?
Oh, the park is.
Oh, there he is. Damn, he's big.
Oh, that's a big porcupine.
You see it, Elsie? It's over there sleeping. There's two of them. I think.
Oh, and the spider one?
Yeah. Do you see it?
No.
Okay, look. You see that white thing?
Oh, yes,
You
yes,
see
yes,
it?
yes.
Now you know, huh?
Why were you doing that to my neck?
Oh, I thought you couldn't see. Okay, come on. Let's go feed the,
Alligators?
yeah.
He's still facing.
Oh, the park is closed down.
How is it closed?
It's just closed. Is it? Oh, look at the rabbit. Look.
That is close because of the pandemic.
You see the turtle right there? Oh, they're waiting. There's one waiting there. Wanna go? Yeah, Elsie, don't hold to that. Go ahead. Slide it down there.
Here.
Elsie. Slide
See
it down
him
there.
over there? He'll hear
Slide it and come over here to see it. You see? There he goes.
Oof.
Wait, another.
Look, he's sitting there. Look at him.
There's only one? Where's the other one?
Oh, no.
Isn't there another feeding thing or that's the only
No,
thing?
there's more. More that way.
Yeah. I don't have to wash my hands. I just can do this.
No, no, nada más ese. Pero los demás están allá. Look at them. They're over there.
I think there was more than one.
Yeah, there's more than one. Oh, no, more than one feeder thing? No.
Oh, Tito, look. There's an alligator.
Excuse us. Where's the butterfly?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see
Right
it.
there. Right there on that tree.
That's not a butterfly, that's a feather. What? Oh, yeah, I see it, Elsie. I see the butterfly.
Okay, here. So he can move.
Oh no!
There he comes. There comes one of them.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
That was funny. Hit him in the face.
I like the turtle is just like there.
You don't need turtles.
I know, but I just like that the turtle is just like.
Oh, he got it. Oh, he did.
What happened, buddy? ¿Qué pasó? Go ahead, Elsie, go ahead.
That's so cool.
That's it.
El niño ya quiere salirse de ahí.
That's it.
Hmm?
There's no more?
You don't want to give him any. Oh, there's one more, Elsie. Give him one more.
No, no. I'm going to throw it over here.
Okay. El niño quiere salirse de ahí.
I wanna do it.
You want to throw it? Oh, look, they look fake. Oh my God. Look at them. They look fake. Look.
But where's the thingy that you can?
No, I have to throw it.
Daddy has gonna throw it.
Let me see if they move.
Are they dead? No, they're full probably.
They probably fed them.
Ni se movieron. Pero métete tú ahí sí se mueven.
Oh, yeah. Here comes the other one. He's
They
like,
have up to 3,000 pounds of biting pressure per square inch. Okay. One bite and you're gone.
One bite and to rip your arm off. Mira esa chopa ahí, te di. Look at that fish in there.
¿Quieres salirte? ¿Mm?
No, no, porque me paré.
Let's go. Let's keep going.